Welcome to today's arithmetic class, my dear students of class 1 section A and B. Today we shall learn the chapter Shapes Around Us. See students, we can see so many shapes around us. In our everyday at your home also, if you look around you, you will see many things which has got different shapes. The things are having different shapes. Now you see students, not only we will see the shapes, we should know the names of the shape. We should know the name of the shape. Let us learn today the names of the shape. Okay. See this one. This is a ball. You can see this is a ball. This is, I think, an orange. This is an orange. This is a tomato. This is a balloon. Then this is a box. This is also a box. This is a chalk box. This is also a box. So we can see two types of shapes here. We can see two types of shapes. If you look at this picture, if you look at the picture of your book, if you look at these pictures, you can see that two types of shapes are there. One is round and another one is cube. So let us see students. Let us see here what are the shapes and what are the names. Let us learn today the names of the shapes and also which things are of which shape. Okay. So let me take this one. Okay. So let me draw here, though I cannot draw like you. You are you are expert in drawing, I have seen. So see students, this is an orange. Okay, this is an orange. So this is an orange. So if it is an orange, see the shape of the orange is round. Shape of the orange is round. So all of you write down students, this shape is called round. This shape is called round. This is a round shaped orange. Orange is, the shape of the orange is round. So all of you write down, the shape of the orange is round. Okay. Shape of the orange is round. Now you see students, so this is the shape of the orange. See students, when you will watch the video, whenever you will require, you pause and again you can see. Okay. You can pause and you can see again. Now let us see. Now next one is a ball. Next one, so let me draw one ball. Let me draw a ball. So this is a ball, suppose. So this is a ball. This ball is also round. If this is the ball, let me a little bit decorate it. This is a ball. So this is a ball. So this ball is also round. This ball is also round. So you need to learn the name of the shape also. This ball is also round. Now you see students, next one is a tomato. So let me draw a tomato, though I am not a very good drawer like you. You can draw very well, I have seen. So let me draw a tomato. So let us see this tomato, the shape of the tomato. The shape of the tomato also you see round. The shape of the tomato is also round. This is also round. This is also round. This is also round. Okay. Then next you see one balloon is there. One balloon is there. So this was a tomato. Okay. This was a tomato. Okay. This was a tomato. You like tomato, I think. Then next you see, next there is a balloon. So let me draw one balloon also. Okay. Let me take one balloon also. This yellow color balloon only I will take. In your book yellow color balloon is there. So let me also draw an yellow color balloon. So Let me also draw an yellow color balloon. It is there in your book. So the balloon is almost like this. So this is a balloon. You like balloon? So this balloon. This balloon is also, the shape of the balloon is also round. The shape of the balloon is also round. Shape of the balloon is also round. So we have got four things. We have got four things which are round in shape. Which are round in shape. So remember students, these are round in shape. Now next you see boxes are given. Some boxes are given here. Okay, some boxes are given here. You see some box. So let us see what are these boxes called. Okay, so let me draw one box for you. Let me draw one box for you. This is a box. Then one more box let me draw. This is also a box. This is little bit tall. This is little bit tall, and this is a little bit tall, and this one is little bit small. That is, this one is taller one and this one is smaller one. Okay. So this box. Now what is the shape of this box called? This is called cube. This is called cube, students. Please write down C-U-B-E, cube. This is called cube. Okay. This is called, I am writing for you in text so that you can remember well. In text also I am writing for you. This is called cube. This is called cube. Okay. This one is called cube. So this is called cube. See here students, this type of shape is called cube. This is a cube and this is also a cube. This is a cube and this is also a cube. So remember two types of shapes then. What we have learned today? Now what we have learned? What are the names of the shapes? Round and cube. Now this boy is collecting all the cube shaped materials, all the cube shaped objects, and this girl is collecting all the round shaped objects. Therefore we have to bring those objects here. She put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes. So in the pink boxes, which shapes will come? This one will come here, this one will come here, this one will come here, and this one also will come here. Okay. And the girl is collecting the round one. So this orange will come to this box, ball will come to this box, tomato will come to this box, and also this balloon will come to this box. So I hope you have understood round shaped and cube shaped. So match the similar match the similar shapes by drawing a line. So now you can do it very easily, I hope. See, this one is already done for you. Then this one will be with this chalk box, same shape. Then this globe is of shape of the ball, and this tomato and balloon are of same shapes. So we have joined the lines of the similar shapes. So I hope you have understood, students. So remember the names of the shapes well. See students, in this page some things are given to you which are of the same shape. See this one. This one is cylindrical, you know. This one is also cylindrical. This one is also cylindrical. So what you have to do here, this boy is having some pictures with him. You have to match the pictures. You have to match the things which are given here with the things that the boy is holding in his hand. The boy is holding in his hand a picture board. In this board some pictures are there, and you have to match these pictures with these pictures. Now you see students, you know this is cylindrical. This rolled paper is cylindrical. This tiffin carrier is cylindrical. Then watermelon is round. This box is cube. Now what is this? This one is the new one here. This one is the new one. So this is called cone. Remember students, this is called, let me draw once more. This is called cone. This is called cone. This type of shape is called cone. So write down, students, this type of shape is called cone, C-O-N-E, cone. This type of shape is called cone. This type of shape is called, this type of shape is called, this type of shape is called cone. This is also a cone. So C-O-N-E, cone. Now in this one, make pairs of similar shapes. So you have to make the pairs of similar shapes. This funnel is of also, you see, cone. This is a cone, so this one will go with this one. Then this rolled paper is cylindrical and this candle is also cylindrical, so this one will go with this one. Then you see this tiffin carrier and this tiffin carrier, so these two will go together. Now you see this cube. Cube will go with this one box. This cube box will go with this one. This one and this one are of same shape. Then this one and this one are of same shape, so you will draw the line. Then this one and this one also are of same shape, that is the tomato and the balloon. So you will draw the lines like this. You will draw the lines and you will match the things here which is given here in your book. So once more let me tell you, students. Once more let me tell you. This is called cylindrical. This is called cylindrical. This is a cube. This is a cube. This is also again cylindrical. This is round. This is cylindrical. This is a cube. This is a cone. This is also a cone. Then this is cylindrical. This is a cube. This is again cylindrical. This is round. This is again cylindrical. So we have learned different types of shapes. Here also you see this is cylindrical. This is cylindrical. This is round. This is a cone. This is round. This is cone. This is a cube. And this is also cylindrical. Now you see, students, there are some objects which can roll and which can slide. Some objects which can roll and which can slide. So which objects are rolling? The objects which are round in shape. The objects which has got its surface round. The objects which has round surface can roll. The objects which has round surface can roll. Remember, the objects which has round surface. The objects which have round surface can roll, and the objects which do not have round surface cannot roll. Which do not have round surface cannot roll. Suppose this box cannot roll. What will happen from here if we keep the thing here? So what will happen? The thing will slide. This suitcase will slide from here. From top to bottom it will slide. From top to bottom it will slide. Then, but this ball will roll. This ball will be rolling down. If we keep the ball here, the ball will be rolling down. But if we keep the suitcase here, or if we keep any box here, suppose this one, if we keep here, it will slide. It will slide. It will slide. Therefore, students, remember, whenever any object has got round surface, it will roll, and the object which does not have any round surface, which has got flat surface, this one is, you see, flat surface. This object has got flat surface. So if the objects are having flat surfaces, then the object will not roll, it will slide. So which object will roll? The round object will roll, and the objects which have got the flat surface will slide. So therefore you see this one is cylindrical, so it has got round surface. This one is round surface, so this one will roll. This ball has got round surface, so this one also will roll. But this one has got flat surface, so this one will slide. This one also will roll because it has got round surface. So from here you have to take the objects that will roll. From here you have to take the objects which will roll. So which will roll, students? This pencil will roll, the ball will roll, and this onion will roll, and this onion will roll, and the onion will roll. So this will be the answer here. And the next one, tick this one, tick the objects that will slide. So only which object will slide? This object only will slide. This object only will slide, and rest will not slide. Rest will not slide because the rest things are having round surface, therefore all these will roll. So this is the today's lesson, student. So you try at home and try to draw the round things and the things which are cylindrical, things which are conical in shape, that is cone. So you draw in your copies and show me. This is your homework for today.